So I got a little crazy on Nika today, but it was on sale, so technically I did save a lot of money. Today I'm going to show you everything that I bought from Nika, from skincare that promises glass skin to makeup that might just turn me into that girl. And trust me, some of these products are underrated, some are overhyped, and some we need to talk about. So grab a snack, sit back, and let's get into this haul.
Bioderma Adaderm Intensive Balm.
This one right here is like that reliable friend who never disappoints. Super gentle, super hydrating, and gets his job done right. Especially if you have very irritated and very dry skin, this one will be your friend.
Nika Pink Eyeshadow Palette.
Next is this Nykaa pink eyeshadow palette. Let me just open it. Just look at those colors. I mean there's something about pink. There's something about pink that I just cannot describe. It's so pretty, so beautiful. Just look at it. This is so good for cute date nights or for everyday looks. All those shimmery shades. I think this is the cutest thing I've ordered from Nykaa till now. This is so cute. I'll just choose one of these eyeshadows and put on my eyelids. Just one swipe is enough. Look at it. So freaking cute.
Maybelline New York Superstay Liquid Lipstick.
Next, we have this liquid lipstick from Maybelline New York. It's in the shade Ruler 80. It's a very pinkish shade. And this shade, it suits my skin tone, stays all day long. It is super comfortable and very smudge proof. I personally love this.
Maybelline Serum Matte Lipstick.
I'm not really a fan of cream lipsticks, but this one right here, it goes so well with my lips. It's so creamy and pigmented. It glides on my lips, and it is actually very nourishing on the lips as well.
Maybelline New York Superstay Teddy Tint.
And this one right here is also like a liquid lipstick, but it's like a more like a tint. It stays all day long, and it's also from Maybelline New York. It's in the shade Keep It Cozy 80. It is so pretty. Let me just show you. Just check it out. It is so pretty shade, and I am wearing that shade right now, so you can see it suits me really, really well.
Tony Moly Ceramide Matcha Toner.
Next up, we have this cute little bottle of toner. It's a ceramide mochi toner from Tony Moly. It contains all sorts of ceramides, no artificial fragrance, and no animal based ingredients. It is so cute. It gives you that dewy finish and it feels so hydrating. I wear it literally every day.
Isntree Real Rose Calming Mask.
Next up, we have this Real Rose Calming Mask from Isntree. This is a Korean brand and it refreshes your skin and it moisturizes all the dry, cracked skin. It reduces all the redness and it is so soothing and so hydrating. And all the Korean products just, protects your skin barrier, and this does the same. I highly recommend this one.
M Caffeine Sweet Escape Perfume Body Lotion.
Next, we have this body lotion from M Caffeine, and it is a perfume lotion and it smells like heaven, literal heaven. It has niacinamide, cocoa butter, and caffeine in it, which are really good for your skin. It moisturizes, has a fruity floral fragrance, and it is actually really good for your skin as well.
Stays 9 to 9 Gloss Lock 2-in-1 Liquid Lipstick.
And next product is a liquid lipstick from Stays Beauty. It is a two-in-one lipstick. It has gloss on one side, as you can see, and lipstick on the other side.
Oh,
This is a
yes.
matte lipstick, but once you apply gloss on it, it becomes transfer proof. It gives you that glossy finish, and it has a very intense color. It's in the shade 05 I'm Happy. This is the gloss part of the lipstick. As you can see, it is clear gloss, and I've used a little bit. That's why it's got a tint on the wand. This is a very Instagrammy and trendy two-in-one liquid lipstick that I've seen all over the Instagram. Actually, that's why I bought it, and actually, it's worth the hype. So do check it out.
Access Y Dark Spot Correcting Serum.
And guys, finally, the last product of this haul is this Axis Y Dark Spot Correcting Glow Serum. This is also from a Korean brand from Axis Y. It has 5% niacinamide squalane. It has fruit extracts, so it lightens, brightens the dark spots. It has plant derived squalane, so it locks in all the moisture. So this one right here is like two in one. You can wear it as a moisturizer, and it also lightens and brightens your face and your dark spots. So yeah, this was my little haul from Nykaa. Tell me in the comment sections which product you like the most and which one should I try on camera the next time. And if you enjoyed watching this video, do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Join the chaos because we're only getting started. Stay tuned for part 2. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!